7:46. Our BMore Healthy Expo is a couple of days away, and we hope to see all of you there. We have dozens of vendors and experts ready to help you live your best life. Sometimes that means managing an illness. Derek and Shantae Robertson know about that. They're with the Maryland Sickle Cell Disease Association, and they're joining us this morning and will be joining us at the Health Expo as well. Good morning to the both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so tell me about your organization and what it is you hope to accomplish with that.
So the Maryland Sickle Cell Disease Association was formed to improve the lives of persons affected by sickle cell disease in Maryland. And so what we do awareness, outreach, and we support research efforts related to sickle cell disease. And what we're trying to do, the biggest thing is awareness. Our tagline is awareness, knowledge, cure. So we think it starts with awareness, build knowledge, eventually leading to a cure for sickle cell disease.
Something you all are very familiar with within your own family. You have 3 sons, 2 of which have sickle cell. So what is that like for you all and for them over these years?
Unpredictable.
Yeah.
So living with and managing sickle cell disease can be very unpredictable. And so our normal is perhaps a different normal than most families, but we've been very fortunate in having excellent health care, and our boys have been managed quite well. So we're very fortunate.
We talk about awareness, and that's one of the priorities. For people who don't know, talk about what what's happening if someone has sickle cell and what their life is like. I mean, you can explain it best.
Yeah, so sickle cell disease is a disorder of the red blood cells. Typically, red blood cells are donut-shaped. In sickle cell disease, many of the red blood cells tend to be crescent-shaped, like a backward C. And when that happens, it doesn't carry enough oxygen throughout the body, and it clogs up. And it has a lot of complications. Because of decreased blood flow, you can have what's called necrosis of the hip, which is where you lose a lot of blood flow to the bones, very painful. And the main characteristic of sickle cell is severe pain. And so that has a lot of implications both for children, and this is a disease that affects all ages. And so you have missed school days, missed work days, and just trying to manage the chronic pain and the complications that come along with it can be very challenging.
At our expo, you all are going to be doing sickle cell trait testing. What does that involve, and why is that needed?
Exactly. We will be doing trait testing, and it's very easy and simple. It's a simple needle prick on the finger, and actually Howard University will collect the blood and have the blood tested, and we will reach back out to those who will be tested and give them the results and have some counseling as well.
Because if they have the trait, that doesn't necessarily mean they'll develop into sickle cell.
Absolutely.
Right,
so having the trait alone.
Yeah, so the trait never turns into disease, but you want to make sure you know your status for, a couple of reasons. One is you want to have a discussion with your doctor just to make sure that there's nothing that's affecting you related to trait. And then it's just important to also know for whatever life decisions you want to take.
Who you're going to marry, and if they have trait too.
Right, just to have informed reproductive decisions.
Absolutely.
All right, well, a lot more information people can get from you all at the expo, so we're hoping everybody comes out and spends some time with them. Thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on Saturday.
And we hope to see everyone on Saturday.
Absolutely. All right. Again, the 8th Annual BMore Healthy Expo is taking place Saturday, March 18th. It's from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. It's at the Baltimore Convention Center. It's free. We hope to see you out there.